is angry. It is. My vagina is furious and it needs to talk. It needs to talk about all of this shit. It needs to talk to you. I mean, what's the deal? There's an army of people out there finding ways to torture my poor ass, gentle, loving vagina. Oh hell. They spend their days constructing psycho products and nasty ideas to undermine my pussy. Vagina motherfuckers! All of this shit they constantly trying to shove up us, stuff us up, make it go away. Well, my vagina is not going away, okay? It's pissed off. And it's staying right here. Like tampons. Tampons. You ladies know what I'm talking about. What the hell is that? A dry wad of fucking cotton stuff up there? As soon as my vagina sees it, it goes into shock. It says, forget about it. It closes up. You know, you need to work with my vagina. Introduce it to things. Prepare the way. You know, that's what foreplay is all about. You got to convince my vagina. Seduce my vagina. Engage my vagina's trust. And you can't do that with a dry wad of fucking cotton. Stop shoving things up me. Stop shoving and stop trying to clean it up, okay? My vagina doesn't need to be cleaned up. It smells good already, alright? Don't try to decorate. And ladies, this is for you. Don't believe him when he tells you, oh babe, it smells like rose petals, when it's supposed to smell like pussy. That's what he's trying to do. Make it smell like a garden or bathroom spray. You know, all those dude sprays, Laurel, berry, rain. I don't want my pussy to smell like rain. All cleaned up like washing a fish after you cooked it. I want to taste that fish. Why do you think I ordered it? Don't worry, it gets worse. Then there goes exams. Who worked them up? You know, there has got to be a better way to do those exams. Why the scary paper dress that they put on you that scratches your tits and crunches when you lie down so you feel like a wad of paper someone threw away? Why the rubber gloves? Why the flashlight they have all up in there like Nancy Drew just working against gravity? Why the Nazi steel stirrups? Why? My vagina's angry about those visits, okay? It gets suspended weeks in advance. It won't leave the house. And then you get there. Oh, ladies, don't you hate that? Scoot down. Relax your vagina, sweetheart. Why? So you can shove me cold chocolates up inside there? I don't think so. Why can't they find, you know, some nice, delicious purple velvet and wrap it around me and lay me down on some nice feathery cotton spread, put my feet in some fur-covered stirrups, or for God's sake, just warm up the meat cold duck lips and just work with my vagina? No, they wouldn't do that. More torturous. Dry wad, a fucking cotton, meat cold duck lips, and thong, oh my goodness, thong underwear. That shit's the worst. Okay? It gets stuck in the back of your crusty butt. It moves around all of the damn time. Vaginas are supposed to be loose and wide, not held together. That's why girdles are so bad. We need comfort. Make something like that. Something to give them pleasure. Oh, look, she's smiling. All right. Why not just make a pair of giant baby today. It thought it would be doing more of that, but it's not. Now, it just wants to travel and get out more. It wants to know things. It wants to read. It wants to scream. It wants to stop being angry. It wants comfort. It wants gentle kisses and warm liquids. It wants to want. My vagina wants, okay? It wants. My vagina? My vagina. Well, it wants everything.